Today I'm going to show you how to make a table and graph in a Google Spreadsheet. The first thing you'll need to do is get to your Google Apps page. Once you're on your Google Apps page, you will go to your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, you will click Create and you will pick the choice Spreadsheet. You are creating a Google Spreadsheet today. You should see your spreadsheet look like this. The first thing you need to do is title your spreadsheet. Your title for your spreadsheet is going to be My Survey Question. Once you've titled your spreadsheet, you can then type your survey question in the top corner of your spreadsheet. What is your favorite sport? Once you have your title of your table, you will need to make your table. In order to make your table, you will need to drag it to the size that you need. Don't forget to drag an extra for a title of each column of your table. Once you have the area highlighted you need for your table, you will click the Borders option and get all of your borders. The very top one needs to be the title of that column. This column is for my sports. This column will be the number of people. The first sport I chose to survey is soccer. The second sport I chose to survey was football. The next sport I chose was basketball. And the last sport was swimming. You can go up, and if you want to make this separate, you can change the color and you can change the boldness of your title to make your title stand out from your survey results. If I surveyed 20 people, I will want to put my results in the table. After surveying my 20 people, I found out that 8 people liked soccer, 4 people liked football, 6 people liked basketball, and 2 people liked swimming. Once I have my table with my survey, I can then make my graph. In order to make my graph, I need to highlight just the sections from my survey. I do not want to highlight my title at the top. Just highlight the sections from my survey. At the top of your screen, you can hit Insert, and you can go down to Chart. We have been talking about bar graphs this year in school. You can pick a bar graph with horizontal bars, or you can pick a bar graph with vertical bars. Once you've picked the graph you want, you will hit Insert. If you want to make more graphs, you can make a line chart or a pie chart, but the only chart you are required to make is a bar graph. I have inserted my bar graph into my spreadsheet, but you'll notice my bar graph takes up most of the room on my page. To move your bar graph, you'll want to change your mouse. You'll click your bar graph. At the top, you'll see this hand. This hand allows you to drag your graph anywhere you want to go. If you want to see your graph on your whole screen, you will scroll down to the bottom, click your graph again, get this arrow, and you can change the size of your graph. Once you have your graph up here, you're going to click each section of your graph. The first thing you'll do is title your graph, Favorite Sports. You can also change the color of the title of your graph. At the bottom, you will want to insert the same color you did as your title. Now, you need to label the bottom of your graph. In order to do this, you will have to go over to Advanced Edit. In Advanced Edit, you can change more things in your graph. If you scroll down, the axis for the horizontal axis right now, you need to put sports as the title. You'll notice sports came up as your title. You also want to change that font color. You can then go to left vertical. The left vertical is the side of your graph, and that's showing us the number of people. You can change this font color as well if you would like to. When you're finished, click Update. Now you'll see your title on the left of your screen and the title over here. If you want to change the color of your bars, just click your bar and you can change the color of your bars. This is how you graph your survey results using a Google spreadsheet.